Hi, my sweets. So we are going to do the last page in our Gully book, page 13. So this is why I did not do the little sniff book like this, because I would have had to get so close to this little screen. So that's why you have two videos today. We are going to listen and follow the directions to complete this page, and then we're all done with our Gully book. All right, my loves, you should have your pencil parked, and you are ready to listen. Look at Gully and all these dog houses and his tails everywhere. All right, here we go.
Meet the Super Kids. Student Book. Unit 3, page 13. Listen carefully and follow my directions. When you hear this sound, your teacher will pause this recording so you have time to mark your answer.
Hello, kids. I decided this morning that my doghouse here at the gas station is getting too messy. I've been letting stuff pile up so much that I can hardly squeeze inside the doghouse myself. So I'm going to look through my things to see what I can throw away. It'll be good to get rid of this junk. Like this old thing. Why did I keep this old rug? Oh, I know why I have this rug. It smells like gardenias. I think somebody must have spilled perfume on it once. When I lie on this rug and close my eyes, I feel like I'm in a green garden with gardenias and grass all around. But it's dirty and it has a hole in it too. Do I really need this old rug?
Rug. Does rug end with the sound g? If your answer is yes, circle Golly's tail in the picture with the red frame. If your answer is no, mark an X on Golly's tail.
So Golly is searching through his dog house and he's cleaning it out because there's lots of stuff in there. So if what he finds ends with the sound of G, we're going to circle his wagging tail because wag, ends with the sound of G, wag. So if it ends with G like wag, we're going to circle his tail. He found a rug. My turn first. Rug. Your turn. Rug. Do you hear G, at the end of rug? Like wag. Yeah. So what you're going to do is take your pencil. We're going to circle his tail here. You see the red frame around? That's the box. You're going to circle his little wagging tail and park your pencil. I'll do it here on the computer so you can see. You're going to circle his little wagging tail. Park your pencil. All right, let's listen to the next one.
What's this red furry thing? It looks like a wig. It is a wig. Why do I have a wig? Oh yeah, I wore it to Oswald's Halloween party and everyone thought I was Cass. That was a great joke. But do I really need to keep this wig now?
Wig. Does wig end with the sound g? If your answer is yes, circle Golly's tail in the picture with the yellow frame. If your answer is no, mark an X on Golly's tail.
My turn first. Wig. Your turn. Wig. Do you hear G, at the end of wig? Yeah, you do. So take your pencil, circle Golly's tail. That is wagging, wag. So we're going to circle it because that ends with G. Wag. And wig. All right, so we're circling his little tail. Okay, let's listen. Now we're going to do the blue one. What does he find next in his doghouse?
Whoops! What's this big thing? Oh, it's that trombone I found last year. I thought maybe a trombone was like a steak bone or a ham bone. I didn't know it was a musical instrument. But do I need a trombone? It's so big, and it's so uncomfortable if you sit on it. I can't play any music on it. Should I keep this trombone?
Trombone. Does trombone end with the sound g? If your answer is yes, circle Golly's tail in the picture with the blue frame. If your answer is no, mark an X on Golly's tail.
All right. So Golly thought a trombone was like a bone that he could chew on, like ham bone or dog bone. No, a trombone is an instrument. Silly Golly. My turn first. Trombone. Your turn. Trombone. Do you hear G, G at the end of trombone? Oh, you hear the letter N. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil, you're going to cross off Golly's tail. Because what he found now does not end with the sound of G. So nope, nope, cross it off. All right, now we're going to go to the green frame around the doghouse. What does he find next? We're almost done, halfway done.
Ugh. Look at this big table leg. I must have dragged it all the way home from the dump. Why did I work so hard to get a table leg? Well, what if I want to have a party and I have to borrow a table and the table only has 3 legs? If I throw this table leg away, I won't be able to fix the table, so I would not be able to have a party. Wouldn't that be terrible? But this leg is so big. Do I really need this leg?
Leg. Does leg end with the sound G? If your answer is yes, circle Golly's tail in the picture with the green frame. If your answer is no, mark an X on Golly's tail.
Do you think you would ever borrow a table that only had 3 legs on it? I don't think so. I would say, no, thank you. I'll go find somebody who has a table with all 4 legs. So you need to keep that table leg? I hope not. My turn first. Leg. Your turn. Leg. Do you hear the sound of G, G at the end of leg? Yes, you do. Circle his tail in the green framed box. I will do it here on the computer. I circle his tail. Okay, here we go. Red and then purple. Red first. Here we go. Or no, orange. I'm sorry, orange.
What's this funny little thing hiding beside the table leg? Oh, it's a peanut. That must be left over from when I went to the zoo. Should I keep a peanut? Do I need a peanut?
Peanut. Does peanut end with the sound G? If your answer is yes, circle Golly's tail in the picture with the orange frame. If your answer is no, mark an X on Golly's tail.
All right, my turn first. Peanut. Your turn. Peanut. Do you hear G, G at the end of peanut? No. Peanut. You hear the T. So what you're going to do is you're going to cross off Golly's tail in the orange box. No. And remember when he went to the zoo the other day and we saw those animals? He brought home a peanut. Ew. I'm not going to bring that home and just put that in my house. Gross. All right, last one. Purple. You guys are doing great.
What's this metal thing? Oh, it's a tag with a big G on it. I wonder where this tag came from. Oh, it fell off my collar. It's my name tag. But it's pretty dirty now. Do I really need this tag?
Tag. Does tag end with the sound G? If your answer is yes, circle Golly's tail in the picture with the purple frame. If your answer is no, mark an X on Golly's tail.
My turn first. Tag. Your turn. Tag. Does tag end with G? Tag. Yeah, that's his name tag. He needs that. So if he gets lost, somebody can look at his collar and say, oh, you're Golly. That's your name. Oh, and here's your address and your phone number. My doggies have those on them too. So you need to circle his tail because tag does end with G. So I will do that here too. You're doing great.
Well, I sure am glad I cleaned out my doghouse. Now there's some room for me in here.
Let's check your answers.
We're not going to do that. My loves, you did a great job following along. What I would like you to do is, like I said earlier, upload a picture of your book of sniffs, Golly's book of sniffs, so I can see how you wrote your uppercase and lowercase g's, and then take a picture of page 13 for me and upload that. You guys are being such great listeners. Thank you for doing all of your work today. You have a wonderful night. Bye.